前回のビデオでは past perfect continuous tense について勉強しましたね。こんにちは皆さん、Vtuberです。今日はこの tense もっと勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. Let's take a look at the past perfect continuous tense structure. Affirmative is subject plus had been plus verb ing. She had been singing in her room since morning. For negative, subject plus had plus not been plus verb ing. We hadn't been talking for very long. Question: had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Had they been practicing before the show? WH question is WH word. Plus had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Why had he been crying? Since we have learned all about this tense, let's go for a quiz time. I'll give you 3 seconds. Day. For the concert tickets all morning before the site crashed. The answer is had been waiting. They had been waiting for the concert tickets all morning before the site crashed. She, to the same playlist for 2 hours before she finally changed the song. The answer is had been listening. She had been listening to the same playlist for 2 hours before she finally changed the song. I, K-pop dances from YouTube before I joined the dance club. The answer is had been learning. I had been learning K-pop dances from YouTube before I joined the dance club. We all morning, so we were starving by lunch. The answer is hadn't been eating. We hadn't been eating all morning, so we were starving by lunch. Now the final question is, when I opened the door, my sister TikTok dances in the living room. The answer is was practicing. Why is it was practicing and not had been practicing? So, if we use when I opened the door, my sister was practicing TikTok dances in the living room. This means that she was dancing at that moment I opened the door. But if you want to use had been practicing, the sentence will go, my sister had been practicing TikTok dances for 2 hours before I came home. This means that she started earlier, had been dancing for 2 hours, and then I came home. This is after some time had passed. Okay, that's all for today. Past perfect continuous tense についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみにしてくださいね。質問があれば下にコメントをしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。